There's a moment in every human life that feels too heavy to name out loud. A moment where something inside you says, I don't know if I can keep doing this anymore. If that's where you are right now, I want you to stay with me. Not because you owe me anything, but because there is something your soul has been trying to say. And this may be the first time you've been still enough, tired enough, cracked open enough to finally hear it. You're not in this darkness because you failed. You're in this darkness because something inside you is being rewritten. And I know how painful that feels. It's a kind of heaviness that doesn't show on the outside. The kind that sits in your chest like a stone. The kind that makes your days blur together and your nights feel endless. The kind that makes you question your worth, your direction, even your place in this world. But hear this, with every ounce of gentleness you deserve. This is not the last chapter of your story. This is the chapter that changes everything. The universe never builds a future on an unsteady foundation. And right now, everything's shaky, everything uncertain, everything you've been silently carrying. It's coming to the surface because you've reached the point where pretending you're fine is no longer your destiny. You're not supposed to break here. You're supposed to wake here. There are parts of your soul you haven't met yet. Strength, wisdom, compassion, depth. And sometimes the only doorway to them is the kind of darkness you would never choose, but somehow found yourself walking through. I want you to breathe for a moment. Slow, gentle, no expectation. Just breath, meeting body. Because the fact that you're here, listening to this, at this exact moment in your life, tells me more about you than you realize. It tells me you haven't given up yet. Not fully, not truly. Something inside you still believes, even if it's faint, even if it's flickering. There is a law woven into the structure of the universe, a law older than any scripture, older than any philosophy. And it says this: before light expands, it withdraws. Before a new timeline opens, the old one collapses. Before your life rises, something inside you falls apart. This collapse you feel isn't punishment, it's preparation. I wish I could show you what your future self looks like. The version of you who survived this very moment and became someone radiant because of it. I wish they could sit beside you right now, hold your hands and whisper, please don't stop here. You have no idea who you're becoming. But that future version of you, they are real. They already exist. They are waiting for you on the other side of this night and this darkness you're walking through. One day, it will be the story you tell that makes someone else feel less alone. One day, your survival will be someone else's hope. Your scars will be someone else's map. The universe does not waste pain. God does not abandon souls mid-chapter. You were created with intention. You're not an accident of biology. You are a deliberate expression of consciousness, placed here with purpose that hasn't fully unfolded yet. And sometimes, the deeper your purpose, the darker the tunnel you must crawl through to reach it. I want to talk to the part of you that feels ashamed of struggling, the part that thinks you should be stronger, the part that thinks others would handle this better, the part that wonders why you can't just move on or get over it. Listen to me. There is nothing weak about being overwhelmed. There is nothing embarrassing about feeling lost. Pain does not make you small. It makes you human. And every soul who has ever risen has known moments like this. You are not broken. You are breaking open. Listen closely now, because this part matters. There is something in you, a brilliance, a gift, calling that the world has not seen yet. And the darkness you're in is shaping you to carry that gift with wisdom instead of fear, with depth instead of ego, with compassion instead of bitterness. If you quit now, that gift remains buried. If you quit now, your story ends in the very place it was meant to transform. You don't have to be strong every moment. You don't have to pretend. You don't have to see the whole path. You only need to take the next breath, the next step, the next sunrise. And when the mind tries to tell you that no one cares, understand this truth, gently but firmly. You have never walked alone. Not for a single moment. There are forces around you. God, the universe, your guides, your ancestors, the consciousness that breathed life into you. And they have been protecting you in ways you don't yet recognize. If you were truly alone, you wouldn't be here. Your story would already be over. But it isn't. You're still writing. And maybe this moment right now is where the pen finally returns to your hand. So hear this. You don't owe the darkness your surrender. You don't owe your past your future. You don't owe your pain the last word. This chapter is allowed to be hard, but it is not allowed to be final. One day, sooner than you think, you will look back on this version of you with awe. Not because you were fearless, but because you kept going despite the fear. Not because you always believed, but because you stayed alive long enough to see life believe in you. Before we end, I want you to anchor this moment. I want you to claim your next chapter before it arrives. In the comments, write this declaration. My story isn't ending, it's beginning. Write it for you. Write it for your future. Write it so someone scrolling through the comments sees it and feels less alone. And if someone you love is walking through a darkness of their own, share this video with them. Not as advice, but as a reminder. Their story isn't over either. You're here for a reason. You're needed. You matter. You are loved. And your light, even if dim right now, is far from finished. This is not your last chapter. This is where you rise.